Alright, I think we have time for a tech demo. 6 key, 7 key, up, up, down, down, left, right, G. Let's load cat 13. Alright, it's a 512 by 512 image. We can interpret that as a level pack. Let's hit the 6 key. Alright, look at that. There's kind of an eye there, and there's some other cool stuff here. Like, it looks like terrain, but it's actually just a cat. Okay, let's do the code review. So, up here, you can get the source code here at aim_414, because we're on video 414. And in the Hardtex pattern h3x, h3y function, which loads a pattern defined by this enumeration into a certain level pack cell defined by the hotel cell coordinate that can be 0 to 2 inclusive. Inside of this section, we finished the pixel setting code. So in this pixel loop here, within the use generators section, if the boolean ends up being true, we end up in here, we generate a tile value, which is a 32-bit tile value, and if that 32-bit tile value is non-zero, it's not 0, then here's the tile red, tile green, tile blue, and tile alpha bytes that we're going to unshift out of our 32-bit pixel. So 24, 16, 8, and 0 shifted respectively for red, green, blue, and alpha, and then masked with the number 255 because each byte is 0 to 255 inclusive. Then we're going to turn the global XY coordinate on Pix2048 into a pixel index by multiplying the Y by the width and adding the remainder to get that pixel index, multiplying by 4 to get the component index, and a shorthand reference to Pix2048 here. And we're going to set the red, green, blue, and alpha bytes here by getting the base address of our pixel and adding 0, 1, 2, or 3 for red, green, blue, and alpha respectively. And then we are not going to set the dirty flag on this because the Hardtex system is going to be responsible for doing the refreshing because we're trying to debug the subtexture push refreshing. So here's what we did previously, and here's our footnotes, and here's what we did in this video. We got to get out of here. If you want a longer explanation, go here. Like, subscribe, send money.